Did you know ice cream trucks were used to launder $8.7 million in cartel money? In 2017, Ivan Gutierrez owned Sweet Dreams Ice Cream, a wholesome franchise across Southern California. But his 40 colorful trucks weren't just selling popsicles to children. Each driver collected drug money disguised as daily sales receipts, then funneled cash through fake inventory purchases. The innocent ice cream jingle allowed them to operate in any neighborhood without suspicion. Gutierrez had built a sophisticated network coordinating with Mexican banking systems, until DEA agents followed one truck to a warehouse. Inside, they discovered $2.1 million in cash and the entire operation's financial records. The sweetest cover story had finally melted away.